Welcome, in front of me is a GIGASET GS190 and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on the device. And to get started, you want to hold power key, select power off and wait for it to turn off. Now this will take a couple seconds, so just give it a moment and it's going to be indicated by vibration. And once you feel that vibration, what you want to do is hold power key and volume up, so both of the keys at the same time. There we go, there's the vibration, so power key, volume up. And once you see the boot mode, select the first option, which is recovery mode, using only volume up, and then use volume down to confirm it. Now next thing you should see is an Android with no command, like this one. So to get past this, hold power key, press the volume up once, and you should be in the recovery mode. Now in this mode you can use both of the volume keys to navigate, as you can see. And you want to select, obviously, wipe cache partition, and then confirm it with power key. Select yes, and it only takes a couple of seconds, as you can see it's already finished, at which point reboot system now is selected by default, so all you need to do now is press power key once more, and the device will reboot and go back to Android. And there we go, as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.